Good morning, students. Continue to the previous class. In previous class, we have discussed about strings, declaration of strings, and various string handling functions. Now, next topic is pointers in C language. Pointers. From pointers, you will have one long question and one short question. Pointers. In C language, pointers are very important topic. Let's see what is pointer and how we declare a pointer and what are the different operations of pointers. Let's start. Pointers. Simple. See the definition. Pointer definition. A pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable of same type. Pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable of same type. So pointer is a memory variable that stores memory address. Pointer is a memory variable that stores memory address. Pointer variable is denoted by asterisk operator. Pointer variable is denoted or declared by asterisk operator. So what is pointer? Pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. See here. For example, one variable, I have declared one variable like this, a. So a is a variable of which type? Int. Whenever you declare a variable in C language, what happens? Some memory is allocated to this variable. Some memory is allocated. Suppose this variable hold some data like 10. So whenever you declare a variable in C language or in any language, some memory is allocated. See, this is the memory, and this memory has some data. So this is data. And what is this? Variable. Variable name is a. This is variable. So this variable holds this data in this memory. So in memory, every cell represented with some address, say 2000. Just I'm writing 2000 as an address. So this is an address of this variable, address. So this is variable, this is data, and this is 2000 is an address of this variable. To store this address, of some variable, we need pointer variable. To store this address of this variable, we need one pointer. See, you need to declare the pointer like this. Which type of data? A. It is int. So declare int pointer variable declaration like this. This is asterisk and p is a variable name. What type of variable is? It is pointer variable. This pointer variable p stores address of this a. So this is address symbol. Address of a is stored in p variable. What is p? P is a pointer. So indirectly we can say p holds the address of a. Say what is the address of a? Simple, 2000. What is 2000? It is not a data, it is an address of some another variable. So this address is stored in pointer variable. So what is pointer? Pointers are variables which stores the address of some other variable. Similarly, if you declare some other variable like p is equal to say 20, b, it is data, and this is the address. So declare pointer variable. So q is equal to address of b. So b address stores in queue. What is queue? Pointer variable. So come here. So what is pointer? It is a variable that holds the address of another variable of same type. Features or advantages. Important question. What is pointer and what are the advantages of pointers? So pointer saves the memory space. Executing time with pointer is faster because data is manipulated with the address that is directly accessed to the memory. The memory is accessed efficiently with pointer. Pointers are used with data structures. They are useful for representing two-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. Pointers allows dynamic memory allocation, means we can dynamically allocate memory through pointers. Pointers allows call by reference mechanism for arguments. Pointers improves the efficiency of the programs, right? So this is a pointer and features, advantages of pointers.